Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So yeah, with ADA we have reached target. Yeah, we did push to the next target level. Remember, a couple of days ago we reached already the first target. I mentioned to you that my primary expectation is still to go higher because there was no signal that the trend has changed already to the downside, and that is exactly what happened here overnight. We did push higher into the target range. So nothing unusual, nothing unexpected. Actually, it was pretty expected to get higher here and to move higher. And also at the moment, I have zero indication that this uptrend is over. So that's what I always say. The targets are ideal targets. We are now in the area. I would expect it to turn around before it breaks above 29 cents. But always very important, this is what we see based on Fibonacci extensions, based on what the chart does. At the moment, price action wise, however, I have no indication that a top is in. Now that can change very quickly, as you know, but at the moment, price action wise, there is no indication. It's actually quite strong. So I wouldn't be surprised to max it out, and if we overshoot it, we overshoot it. So I would warn against getting into a short trade too early. And I would also warn against, now I don't want to say don't take profits, because taking partial profits is always something that is, in my opinion, useful along the way if you entered down here in either this or this support and trend reversal area. We're now basically in an area where it should move into a downtrend, but as you know, as long as we make higher highs and higher lows, the trend is still up. Now we've seen quite a spike to the upside. I just wondered what that could mean. So for me, the idea that we are here in an ending diagonal in wave 5 is still possible, but have to admit this move up is quite strong. So I thought, is there another possibility? Well, and yes, I think there is. We could see all of this as an Elliott wave triangle, A, B, C, D, E. And then we would have here the wave 5 as an impulse. That's possible as well. If we count it like that, due to the strength of this move, we could have a small 1-2 here. This could be a wave 3. Due to the strength, this is not unlikely. Maybe we had here the rejection. This was the 4, and we're now moving up in a 5th wave. So if that is the case, I would have to give you an extended target, and I will extend the target out, because we have to then, let me think. This is not confirmed yet, but you see what I mean. A, B, C, D, E, a triangle. Then the wave 4 sits higher, which means the target will go higher as well. Because the way to calculate target here would be that we take the length of the wave 1 and we add it to the low of the 4th wave. And if the 4th wave was here at 27.4, this could still stretch out as per the extended to 29.45 cents. Now I'm unsure about this, but the strength of the move to the upside makes this a consideration. So if we break above the 29 cent level, which is the current target, then expect resistance, I would say, around 29.5 cents. So in summary, the trend is still up. I see no indication this is topped yet. And if we break above 29 cents, 29.5 would be the next target. You can also try to calculate the target a different way, which is we take the length of the 3rd wave, but it wouldn't give us a different target. It's a tiny bit higher. It would get to 29.5. So, we can also move that to 29.5. But yeah, let's see what the price is doing there. Certainly an interesting uptrend. At some point we get this correction down. We are now looking at the indicators, very much overbought. Well, that was the 15-minute chart, 1 second, but here also overbought on the hourly time frame. We are now overbought on the 4-hour time frame, and overall the daily chart would still support further upside, which is basically what we expect as well. Because we are looking at this as an A, B, C pattern. Remember what I said to you a few videos ago, that this could become quite an extensive recovery here, even if it's only a, let's call it a relief rally that could even take us into the high 30s if we consider this move down a wave 1 and this a wave 2. So this can still stretch out further, but at some point we should get this B wave low in, and then we should move up in another wave up in a C wave. This will be the moment of truth if we hold support. But at the moment, yeah, I think this can go a little bit higher. Interesting at the moment. Nothing else to say here at the moment about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.